Hi there everybody, and welcome to the open collab. That's right, this is an open collab and it's called Mix It Up in the Kitchen. That's right, mix it up in the kitchen. This is open to everybody. You can make whatever you want. And if you don't want to post on Saturday, I wished you would, but if you don't want to, just make sure you get a hold of me or leave a link so I know, so I can go watch a video. And you can, like I said, make anything. This is an open collab. Everything will be down in the description box below. What I'm going to make today is a 3-ingredient cookie. That's right, I'm using a strawberry cake mix, 1 egg, and Cool Whip. Believe it or not, I have never made these before. That's right, I've never made these before. So let's get started. I just want to open my box, my bag here. I hope everyone's having a great day. It wasn't too bad in Maine today. It was 85. You could breathe a little bit better, so that was a plus. The humidity wasn't as bad. So here we go. I'm going to bring you down. Hopefully you don't fall down. Okay, bringing you down. We're going to use this so you can see. Whoops, what we're going to do is we're going to put the Cool Whip in. Yep, just like that. This is called a 3-ingredient cookie. And I have never made these before. Now I know my friend Charlene, I believe she has made these because her youngest son, well, her second son, I should say, Zach, I think he likes these. Okay, we're gonna do that. Hi, Maggie. What are you doing in here? What are you doing in here? Maggie's in the kitchen. Okay, then we're gonna take an egg. I usually like to break it in a container so we don't got any surprises. And we'll just put it in here. Then we're gonna put this egg right on top. When I saw that, an egg with Cool Whip, I'm like, no thank you. And then you're gonna take the cake mix. You're gonna go just like this. Strawberry season just got over here. We've moved into blueberry and raspberry season. And what you wanna do now is fold this in. You want to fold it in till you mix it all up and it's nice and gooey. Yep, just like this, fold it in. I'm going to shut you off because I know everybody knows how to fold, and I'll bring you back when it's all folded up. Okay, I believe this is the consistency we're looking for right here. Nice gooey batter. And you got to spray your hands. I'm using just some extra virgin olive oil. Just like this. Let's spray your hands. And what I have in here is about 4 tablespoons of confectionery sugar, and I use Swerved. You don't have to use Swerved. Then you're going to come in here. It's a little messy. You're going to make a ball, kind of like that. Then you're going to go in here. You're going to go in there, and you're just going to roll it around. And it's not sticky anymore. You want it coated real nice. You want it round if possible. Then, I'm trying to get, I can't get it out, so I'll just go like this. Then you need to come over and put it on your cookie sheet. And try to keep the same consistency of your cookies, so they say. You want to come like that, I'm gonna come in here, just a little dab of gooey, roll it around. I think this one's a little smaller. Yeah, it is, but that's okay. I'm gonna make them all sizes. I'm not sure if Chris and his friend will be able to eat these, but when they come tomorrow, I'll offer one to him and one to her, or 2 to her and 2 to him, whatever they can have. There. See what happens here. I don't know myself, to be honest with you. Just like that, and we're gonna fill up the tray, and we're gonna see what happens. Okay, the first bunch is ready to go in at 350 for 8 to 11 minutes. Each oven is different. I've got a little bit more that might make 2 or 3. I'll get my little half sheet out and do those up. Hi there, I got done. It made a dozen cookies. They seem to be quite dense, very moist. I'm gonna do a taste test. I got 12 and they had white powdered sugar, but as they cooled off, low battery just came on. As they cooled off, the powdered sugar disappeared, but I'm gonna try one for you and I'll take a picture at the end. Tastes really good. They're very dense though. Cooked on the bottom. It took about 15 minutes with my oven, but I would do it again. And I can't see why you couldn't do them in different cake flavors either. But that's all I have today. Thank you for coming in for Mixing It Up in the Kitchen. I'm just gonna finish cleaning this up, take a shower, and go to bed. Have a great day. God bless. We'll see you on my next video. Come join in. Bye now.